everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I went back to work really early. Basically, I got to work at midnight and we were working until 6 p.m. That's the hour that we had, the window hour. So this is what it looked like when we were done. As you guys can already see, the blue tape right there, as we took out the knife switch, as you'll see here in a second. But we went ahead and shut down this MCC, which controls a whole bunch of surgery fans. So basically, I had to do this in the middle of the night so it doesn't interrupt any really important surgeries that save people's lives. So anyways, this is all the stuff that we took out. You'll see here in a second what it used to look like. I don't have an after shot because it was already closed up before I could get a chance to take a picture or a video. But this is all the stuff that we took out: transformers, breakers, wire. One of these breakers, that big breaker with the knife switch, cost like $20,000. So anyways, took all that stuff out. This is a picture with me, my boss, and the other foreman besides Steven. It was just the three of us. We came in at midnight. So we went ahead and worked on that along with another guy that was measuring some stuff inside to make a breaker for us. This is what it looked like, the $20,000 knife switch at the left. On the top left, like I said, and there's some, I think a relay or I'm not sure all this stuff because I don't really deal with this stuff, but there was like breakers, transformers, step-down transformers, and I think kind of like a contactor relay, I believe, if I'm saying that right. So basically just ripped all this stuff out, so now the inside of this just looks like a gray metal square because everything has been taken off of that mounting backboard. And we also determined, which stands for determination, we determined the wires off of this bus bar, A phase, B phase, C phase, and I believe those were 480. So went ahead, the process to shut this thing down was basically you lock out the generator because it has two sources of power, and also right here we labeled a spare pipe and put in a 2-inch connector, but basically shut down the generator power, and then lock out the generator power, lock out the utility power, verify that everything was dead, and then that's when we started working and stuff like that. So anyways, it was a really fun time. I really enjoyed it. Some people don't like to wake up at midnight, but I took a 4-hour nap before work as soon as I got home from work on Wednesday. So I really enjoyed it, and the post-shutdown high is just like none other, and I really enjoy that. So I'll take a chance to do a shutdown any day of the week because I really enjoy it. So anyways, that was my day at work, and went home and slept afterwards for about 7 hours till 1 p.m. So here we are. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Back to a normal regular program schedule tomorrow, and that'll do it. Thanks guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys are coming over from Steven's channel, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoy your stay. I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.